this is Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to the daily crypto tech review of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and Ripple's XRP. We'll be looking at the moving averages, the day's support, resistance and pivot levels, and the Fibonacci's. It is Sunday the 21st of November. Looking at Bitcoin against the US dollar and the hourly candlesticks, it's been a mixed start to the morning. You can see Bitcoin avoid the pivot at 59.034 to take a run at the first major resistance level at 66.18. Plenty of support from the broader market would be needed for Bitcoin to break back through to 60,000 levels. So barring an extended rally on the day, expect that first major resistance level to cap the upside. In the event of a breakout, should see Bitcoin target 63,000 levels before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 62,839. Fall through the pivot will bring the first major support level at 58,182 into play. Barring an extended sell-off on the day, Bitcoin should avoid sub 57s. Second major support level sits at 56,598. Looking at the MAs, 50 has narrowed on the 100 and also the 200, so that's providing some support that's coming off the back of yesterday's late rally. So look out for a further narrowing to provide further upside through the day. So key would be to avoid the pivot at 59.034, break through to 60,000 levels to then target 63,000 levels on the day. Looking at Ethereum against US dollar, also bearish start, going to see Ethereum avoid the pivot at 4354 to take a run at the first major resistance level at 4502. Support from the broader market will be needed to break out from yesterday's high at 4438.96. So barring an extended rally on the day, expect that first major resistance level to cap the upside. In the event of a breakout, should see Ethereum target 4700 levels before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 4587. A fall through the pivot will bring the first major support level at 4269 into play. Barring an extended sell-off on the day, Ethereum should still well clear sub 4,000 levels. Second major support level at 4121 should limit the downside. Looking at the MAs, we've got the 50 converged on the 100, so look out for a bullish cross there that would support a breakout. So key would be to avoid the pivot at 4354, break through yesterday's high at 4438.96 to then target resistance levels on the day. Looking at Litecoin against the US dollar, also bearish, going to see Litecoin avoid a fall through the 38.2% fib at 223 and the pivot at 223 to take a run at the first major resistance level at 232. Support from the broader market will be needed for Litecoin to return to 230 levels, so barring an extended rally, expect that first major resistance level to cap the upside. In the event of a breakout, should see Litecoin target 240 before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 238. A fall through the 38.2% fib and pivot will bring the first major support level at 217 into play. Barring an extended sell-off on the day, Litecoin should avoid sub 200s. Second major support level at 207 should limit the downside. Looking at the EMA, slight narrowing of the 50 on the 100 and the 200, but no signs of any imminent bullish cross, so that's still a bearish signal. So key would be to avoid the 38.2% fib and pivot both at 223, break back through to 230 levels to bring resistance levels into play. Looking at Ripple's XRP against US dollar, bearish start as well, going to see Ripple's XRP avoid the pivot at 1.087 to take a run at the first major resistance level at 1.1117. Support will be needed for Ripple's XRP to break out from yesterday's high that was at 1.10169. So barring an extended rally on the day, expect that first major resistance level to cap the upside. In the event of a breakout, should see Ripple's XRP target 1.15s before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 1.1263. Fall through the pivot, bring the first major support level at 1.0724 and the 38.2% fib at 1.0659 into play. Barring an extended sell-off on the day, Ripple's XRP should avoid sub 1s. Second major support level at 1.0478 should limit the downside. Looking at the EMAs, slight narrowing of the 50 on the 100, but again no signs of a bullish cross, so look out for a further narrowing that would provide further support through the day. So key would be to avoid the pivot at 1.087, break back through to 1.1s to bring resistance levels into play.